Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best camping coffee maker you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. We've field tested nearly 30 different camping coffee makers over the last 9 years. For this update, we bought the 16 most popular brewers and put them to the test in the wilderness. A cup of coffee is certainly a vital part of your daily routine, whether you're waking up in an alpine bivy or the luxury of your own home. Our team of coffee specialists put these coffee makers to the test in order to help you pick the finest one for getting your caffeine fix while enjoying the outdoors. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, AeroPress coffee maker. Our overall favorite was the AeroPress. In our blind taste test, it came out on top, with both of our tasters declaring it to be the best coffee of the lot. It's also the most efficient way to get your caffeine dose first thing in the morning. It only takes a little more than 2 minutes to brew a cup of coffee, not including the time to boil water. It's really easy to clean and takes only a few seconds. It's small enough to fit into any camper's gear. We've taken it on a couple of short overnighters despite the fact that it's a touch heavy for backpacking. It weighs 9.5 ounces with all of the tools included. However, for 6.3 ounces, you can easily get by with just the main body and a few filters. The AeroPress is great for small gatherings because it is meant to make 1 to 2 cups at a time. To create 2 cups, add an extra half scoop of ground coffee and drain the water from the 4 mark to the 2 mark a few times before producing the suction, letting the coffee brew, and pressing it out. There are several disadvantages to it. We discovered that it was a touch picky, resulting in under-extracted, slightly sour coffee. A more balanced cup resulted from turning the AeroPress upside down and letting the coffee settle for 1 to 2 minutes before flipping it over and pressing. It may take some experimenting with the timing to achieve the desired flavor. Another disadvantage is that the AeroPress necessitates the use of particular coffee filters. Nonetheless, the AeroPress comes with a large number of them, and they are small and easy to transport. The filters that included in the package have lasted us over a year of brewing coffee most mornings, so you won't have to change them frequently. A metal filter is also available, but we've discovered that these don't perform as well. On number 2, Primula Coffee Brew Buddy. The Primula Coffee Brew Buddy's design had us doubtful at first. It acts more like a tea bag than a pour-over when it dips into the cup. We instantly changed our minds. The Primula let the coffee to spend more time in contact with hot water, resulting in a more balanced flavor. In our blind taste test, it was one of the best tasting coffees. Alternatively, the most common problem we encountered with other pour-over coffee makers was that the coffee was sour and under-extracted. When you consider how easy it is to use and how little it is, the Brew Buddy becomes even more appealing. The Primula Coffee Brew Buddy's design initially made us skeptical. When it dips into the cup, it behaves more like a tea bag than a pour-over. We made a complete 180-degree, 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 180 because the Primula let the coffee to spend more time in contact with hot water. The flavor was more balanced. It was one of the best tasting coffees in our blind taste test. On number 1, Planetary Design Tabletop French Press. Because of its longevity and ease of use, the Planetary Design Tabletop French Press is our choice for the best camp coffee maker for large groups. You can make 6 cups of pretty darn nice coffee in about 5 minutes after your water is boiling. It's certainly a well thought out and well designed product. The sleek design, broad handle, and easy to push plunger all appeal to us. It was the simplest to use and clean of the French press coffee machines. In our blind tasting test, the Planetary Design Press was in the middle of the pack. It didn't make very good coffee, but it was virtually impossible to brew a bad cup. If you don't pour the coffee right away, as with all French press coffee makers, it will become increasingly bitter as it stands. So guys, this was the video about the best camping coffee maker. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.